Ang daming nag-comment sa mga videos ko na walang ginagawa ang gobyerno. Pero, totoo ba to? Nag-release yung Philippine government ng infographic kung ano bang ginagawa nila. For example, sa pag-ensure ng smooth and continuous transport, nagbigay sila ng mga cash aid sa ating mga tricycle drivers at sunod naman daw bibigyan ang jeepney drivers at ang mga TNVS. Sa mga commuters naman, may 50% discount kapag kayo ay sumakay sa MRT at LRT, and even libreng pasakay by the local government and by the love bus of the national government. Meron din silang monitoring, may mga hinuhuli sila ng mga gas stations na, oh my God, nagsasara ng Monday, sinasabing wala na silang supply, pero may supply naman talaga sila dahil on Tuesday, balak nilang magbukas and charge higher for it. So, pwede po kayo, by the way, mag-report ng mga ganyan. Ano pa yung ibang ginagawa ng ating government? Apparently, meron ng 20 plus pesos per kilo of rice. As long as you are a senior, PWD, single mom, or PIS. So, as long as part po kayo ng apat na yon, pwede po kayong mag-avail. Punta lang po kayo sa BFCT Bagsakan and please bring an identification. 80 pesos per kilo ang talong doon. Tapos yung kamatis, makakabili kayo, 35 pesos per kilo. It's one of the programs of the government. On top of all of this, nagpapauwi din yung ating gobyerno ng mga OFWs na na-stuck sa Middle East at binibigyan din sila ng financial assistance. Marami pa silang pwedeng gawin. Marami pang ibang suggestions na pwede nilang gawin. Pero the government is doing what it can given a very challenging international environment. While the government is trying to do what it can, and naturally, no, if you have suggestions, if you have frustrations, we can voice that out. The best thing that we can do is to prepare ourselves as individuals. Kung may kakayahan po kayo, ngayon pa lang, magbawas-bawas na tayo. For example, let's lessen our electricity usage. Let us try to convert to solar energy if we have the ability to. Para tayo mismo, pinoproteksyonan natin ang ating sarili at ang ating mga pamilya. So let's all band together and prepare for the challenging weeks or months ahead. And let's all pray that this will end soon.